In this video, I'm going to show you how to print custom range in Bluebeam. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to File, top left, and you want to go to Print down here at the bottom. Now, when you're inside the Print tab, you want to go to Pages over here, and where it says Page Range, click on All Pages, which should be the default, and then click on those of this arrow over here, and it's going to allow you to see a bunch of different options. In here, you want to go ahead and click on Custom Range. And then from here, you want to click on Get Window, and then here you'll basically be able to select what you actually want to see and print. So, for example, if I just wanted to print like this bit over here, I'm just going to select something completely random. And of course, you can select this by just dragging it with your mouse click. So just click and then drag and release whenever you're done. And as you can see, it's going to load up over here on the left-hand side. And I now only have kind of this current view, and it is the custom range I have selected. And then you can, of course, play with these options and printers as well. And then just click on print, and only that custom range is going to be printed out. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.